Hi guys, and welcome back to the Litefinance Global YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss my top picks when it comes to the Q4 2023 within the crypto sector. The first one is going to be Solana. We are approaching very big event and we see very nice price action when it comes to the chart. Ripple is the second top pick within the Q4 2023. XRP, SEC is dropping the cases against the executives, so it's for now Ripple versus SEC is 3-0. Well, I see the positivities, and also looks like we are accumulating when checking the chart on a higher time frame, so Ripple could be very interesting. Also, I do have the bonus for you as a third top pick. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, before we start, as usual, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave your comments in the section below, comment section below. Please tell us what's your top pick when it comes to the Q4 2023 within the crypto sector. All right, let's start with Solana. Depends on when you are going to watch the video, we are approaching the very important event when it comes to the Solana. We also see plenty of upside breaks on the smaller time frames, but here we are start with the weekly chart, and what's important even with the latest rally is this particular range. The latest rally from the very low over here around $8 till now, it's more than 200%, all right? But still this particular range is holding the price within. So the very important level from the weekly chart perspective is to close above $35. If that's going to happen, we have another 25-27 potential to the upside, so we are talking something about the 60 based on doubling the range. But I think that even more important are two levels a little bit above. The first one is the bottom of this swing high over here. In that case, we are talking about the target around 79.80, and also 50% of that rally. In that case, we are talking about the levels very close to 104. So quite significant possible move to the upside when it comes to Solana based on the weekly chart. Again, very important is close above 35. Otherwise, we might still move within the range, and anything below 20 is still the buying opportunity. Once we are going to break through that one, 50% of that range, something around 25, you are waiting for a pullback and you are trying to trade higher levels. All right, let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart on the Solana. There you go. As I mentioned, plenty of upside breaks, but here also we see this latest weakness over here, and that's crucial, right? Why? Because look here, this rally, maybe different way, this particular rally over here, right? 50% of that somewhere here been tested once and is being tested second time right now. That's the very important. Once we are above, clear whatever is going to happen by the pullback down, as we discussed on the weekly chart. But as long as we are below that level, trying to trade within the range could be the name of the game. So that's how I see the Solana first top pick of the Q4 2023. I see the possibility for a little bit bigger than usual rally, but first we have to have weekly close above 35. The next one is Ripple. Fantastic things going on. Ripple versus SEC 3-0. SEC dropped the case against the executives. That's another win. And what is important from my perspective, how we are behaving lately, right? Looks like we are trying to accumulate, or the whales trying to accumulate as much as they can. I don't think we are going to break this rising trend line. The only thing I'm worried about right now is this falling trend line. So it's good that we are narrowing. It might not exactly be Q4 because that's the weekly chart, so looks like a little bit more time might be needed here, but I like Ripple towards the Q4, at least with the possible retest of 90 to $1 trading zone, and only close above 90 and $1 trading zone we might see higher levels on the Ripple. I like it. I think we are within the buying zone as of now, and of course if the market is going to get the close below 40 down towards 35 cents, if we are going to close below on a weekly chart, then that could cancel this very bullish scenario. Let's have a look what we have on a daily chart here. We are after the strong rally, after the first case, winning case against the SEC, we've seen the market gave up. There was a strong stop count. Since then we are trying to consolidate. So as of now, if you want to be early, you are buying any kind of the pullback from that consolidation. But if the market is going to get the close above the high of that consolidation around 58 cents, then you are looking for a pullback down towards 54, 53, and you want to see the rally. The first target is going to be the 67 from where we started last move to the downside, but if we are going to take out 67, then 90 and $1 mark could be the name of the game for the Ripple from the lower time frame perspective. So that's my number 2 when it comes to the Q4 2023 within the crypto sector. And finally, the bonus I mentioned during the intro, link weekly chart. We are trying to make the break through the supply zone we've seen quite a few times. Currently the $10 mark, 9.75 is a crucial, taking into the consideration the closing prices on the weekly chart. Last week we've seen the highest because we are not counting the upper shadows, so that's the positive. Market is trying to continue to go higher. Where from here? Well, the next level of the possible supply is around 1580-16. I'm not taking into the consideration this around 1250. I think that if we are going to double that particular range, right, we are going to hit this 15 plus mark range, and it's also 50% of that latest swing high rally over here, right? If the market is going to be able to move through that, then the next possible target is around 20, and finally within short period of time above 20 we might see 28.5. I'm very positive. So when it comes to this breakout, I'm not chasing the prices, I'm looking to buy the pullback. In that case, what kind of the pullback I would like to see? I would like to see some kind of this type of the pullback down towards I would say somewhere in between 8 and 750. With that being said, guys, wish you great next trading session. Do your own research as usual. See you around, take care, and goodbye.